I want to know if the prophets were wrong. I want to know if Jesus was wrong. I want to know if Paul was wrong. I want to know if Peter was wrong. If he's wrong, let's forget it. But if they're right, you better stop and start reading and studying this Bible daily. Because in this Bible is the answer to the problems of life. Where we came from, why we are here, where we're going. In this Bible, God's revelation to you that could transform and change your life and make you a whole man or a whole woman. You're not a whole man until you know Christ, because you have a body and a soul, but you also have a spirit. And that spirit of yours has been dead a long time. God can bring new life to your spirit and make you the woman you ought to be and the man you ought to be, the husband, the wife, the child, the father, the mother.